We are about to head out to do one of the most important practices in gardening, and I thought you might want to come along. I'm Amy Landers with GardensThatMatter.com, where we believe your garden is the key to better food, a better life, and a better planet. And one of the most important practices you can do in your garden is observation. This is one of the fundamental principles in permaculture. Observe and interact. Get out into your yard and see what is happening. And so we have had a super rainy week here in Western North Carolina. In fact, on the way to school, there are fields that are usually fields, but they look like lakes and ponds right now. It's been so rainy. So we're gonna go see what we can observe in our own yard. The kids and the dog think we're just going on a regular walk, but really we're gonna go observe. I think they're ready to go.
Going out to do active, intentional observation is going to have three big benefits for you. The first one is you're actually going to sense more about the world. Our brains work as big filters. We have so much information coming at us every day. Our brains filter out most of it. Whatever we don't need in that moment, our brain is filtering it out. By going out to observe, you actually open those filters back up neurologically. This is important. Notice this, right? You're going to actually be able to bring in more information about your garden by being intentional. When you go out, be sure to turn off all those distractions. In hindsight, maybe bringing the dog, who hasn't learned to walk on a leash yet, wasn't my best idea. Then use all 5 senses. What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you see, of course?
What do you see? What is it? Fungi!
You can use your sense of taste if it's something that is edible and you're confident.
Yeah, collards.
Can you eat collards?
Yeah, you can definitely eat collards.
Mom, I'm going to pick some for dinner.
All right, sounds good.
And what do you smell?
Let's look at what happened right here.
The second benefit of active observation is that you'll be able to notice patterns.
Yeah. What makes you think that?
When you're out in your yard more often, you'll see things that are happening that you can either encourage or fix if it's a problem. Maybe areas of water runoff. In this area, we need to plant some more plants, bring mulch back in, and probably shape the land so that it's not rushing through here the next time we have a big rainstorm.
It didn't blow away. We put it in a different part of the yard. What do you guys think about this spot? Why is there so much water here?
One action you can take to help yourself notice patterns is to record your observations. Use a journal, map or diagram what you find. I like to use my camera or my phone camera to see what I find. And there's some really great technology that can help you with this as well. Tools like Evernote or even your social media timeline will help you go back and see what has been happening in different times of year over the years. Let me know in the comments how you practice observation. What do you do to record what you find happening around your house?
Where did that come from?
What's your opinion?
Where did this come from?
Where do you think it came from?
Up there.
I bet you're right.
The third benefit of observation is that you will enjoy being out in your garden that much more. Being an active observer means that you have to be in the moment, you have to be present. And how often in these distracted days do we get to do that? So it's so great to just take a few minutes and be present. You will discover delightful things through your observation, like daffodils.
The spring? Like of 2020?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, everybody's cold. We're going in for hot cocoa. Get out and observe your yard. See what's happening. Until I see you again, happy gardening.
Oh, yeah,
No.
No, you're not allowed to have that. Chocolate is bad for dogs. Frown face.
Y'all drank it so fast. You're supposed to sip hot chocolate, not chug it.